Hi everyone, this is Balinder from NZISD. Today we are here with our another student. His name is Sukhjeet Singh Sorao. So today is his certificate. He already passed our course. So yeah, Sukhjeet, how are you?
Good.
Good. I'm good. So what was your experience with us?
It's very good. Gave me 100% practical skills.
Mm-hmm.
Like your labs are always open for me.
Mm-hmm.
Like I always visited 2 hours earlier
Mm-hmm.
and do lots of practical things
Good.
and ask you many questions about this phones.
Okay. So great. So what you did before? You're a student. You're working. What you did before?
I did study in like graduate diploma in ICT level 7,
Mm-hmm.
and after finishing my study I am totally free.
Mm-hmm.
I was only working,
Mm-hmm.
and after that one of my friends recommend the NZISD
Mm-hmm.
Institute to got the practical skills training, and after that
So you mean your one of friend recommend to NZFix, and did they took any training from us?
yeah, is one of his friend took training from you.
Okay, so great. Final question from you: if in the future if your friend would like to get any kind of practical knowledge, and what you recommend to him?
Yeah, I definitely recommend like you always give 100% practical training to the students,
Mm-hmm.
and secondly you work according to the availability of the students.
Yep. Great.
Yeah, you always set the times for the students for according to their availabilities.
Mm-hmm.
And third thing is the labs are very well equipped,
Mm-hmm.
and the last thing is you mainly focus on the tips and tricks.
Great. So his means that why he is going to recommend his friend, because we are providing 100% practical knowledge in this course, and also what we will do, we will arrange the classes according to student availability. Further, we main focus on tips and tricks, so the students don't waste their time and they get the proper knowledge and start their career with this course. So thank you so much, Sukhjeet. Thanks so much for your time.
Thank you.
Hopefully we will see you in the future. Thank you so much. Bye bye.